BMNR up 2.51%. This is Thursday, the 18th of September 2025. It was trending at some point as traders closely watched its price action alongside Ethereum's movements, with speculation building over the stock's potential to hit new highs. The stock has increasingly become viewed as a leverage proxy for ETH, with bullish sentiment gaining strength amid growing confidence in its long-term positioning. At the core of all of this enthusiasm is the company's substantial Ethereum treasury, which many investors see as both a store of value and a strategic bet on the continued adoption of Ethereum. Amongst other things, community discussions also highlight the role of Chairman Tom Lee, whose reputation as a crypto bull adds credibility to BMNR's vision. Many traders view his leadership as a signal that the company will stay aggressive in pursuing ETH acquisitions and maintaining exposure to the broader digital asset space, amongst the many things that we have here. So you can always pause and have a read. Okay, so intraday high $59.87 printed yesterday in the post-market session of yesterday. We know very well that the stock has this all-time high of $135.31. So there's ample room to the upside for the stock. Projections here saying 81.14, 96.97, 106.75. However, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average saying that we are going to get a contraction that may remain in place up till the 27th of October. No guarantee that that will be the case. Underlying trends since strongly bullish. Let's see what we have for the price pressure momentums. Okay, the price pressure momentums are, I believe, they are both in strong. They are both in. Okay, well, the 21-day moving average is not in, is maintaining the trend. The 10-day moving average is in a strong trend mode and no negative derivative. The 21-day is just maintaining the trend rather, and has a negative first derivative. What could that possibly be? There may have been some rejections. Yeah, we got that rejection here, 59.87. There may have been other ones. Other rejections that has affected the first derivative on this 21-day moving average. I mean, otherwise, I don't see what is anything wrong with the price of the stock. Let's see now. 21-day moving average, we'll be talking about 21st of August or something like that. Yeah, okay. Let's see, we can count back. So 5, 10, 15, 20, yeah, 20th of August. So yeah, I see why why there is a small dent in that derivative 20th of 21st of August. Yeah, okay. Even though yes, there's no real threat, but the stock is still is trading right around those that price, trading right around that price. Yeah, 58. Not okay. It's a decent premium to that price, but it may have something may have happened in that session, yesterday's session. Let's see, 50. Yeah, 52 came down to 52 yesterday. Yeah, it's consolidating around there. I was trading right around there, that sort of price. So you may have rattled the derivative if you like. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, extrapolation is saying that higher prices will remain in place up till Friday, the midday of tomorrow, the 19th, and then after that it might roll over and begin to contract this expansion, which is also what we saw on the daily chart. Here, projections are saying 46.72, but we have, there's ample room to the upside for BMNR. Okay, here nothing is shaky here. All the momentums are strongly bullish. All the momentums are, yeah, strong trend mode and very strong derivatives as well. Okay, let's have a look at the market grid to get an impression of what how it's trading within its range. Okay, what we have is yeah, the current price is 58.50. So it is 58.50. It is right in its resistance zone based on this 4-hour chart. Yeah, so there's a good chance that it may continue to print higher prices because if it's in that chart and with this robust 10-day moving average, 10-period moving average, yeah, yeah, robust with an angle of attack, then there's a good chance it may continue to test higher prices. Yeah, so I expect it to, advance further, probably reach the highs of $60.47. Yeah, so the good thing about, this is that it's in its resistance zone and it's not contracting within that zone. As things stand right now, it is looking up. Yeah, so it's like it's like a rocket that is escaping gravity. So it has a momentum, it has a power. It may well continue to test higher prices, as against when it's in that in this resistance zone and pointing downwards, contracting. It doesn't mean that it's going to, you can't conclude everything, but it's in the interim, it's looking like it may continue to break the barriers, break the resistance, even though of course the algos are extrapolating that it's going to contract. Yes, the algos will always do that. They will always extrapolate a contraction. Yes, and indeed, in some cases, it may also extrapolate higher prices, continued upper projections. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. No fresh news as such. Um, I don't think there's any fresh news. This was 5 days ago. Nothing fresh here. Okay, StockPi is a different cryptocurrency called Ethereum and was recently the third largest publicly traded cryptocurrency, as companies in the business of holding these currencies are called. Okay. Okay, so it's probably the third largest, probably behind which other one? Well, we know the largest is Strategy. Okay, so let's just have a look and see what's going on its on the order books. Yeah, the gain is now 3%. Current price is 553, 58.83. Are we going to see anything going on here? How active is this market? Okay, we can't see anything. Not so active at the moment. It's the pre-market session. If it won't be out of place if it's looking quiet. So yeah, just have a look and see what you make of BMNR, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.